their game plan, if similar to you against City, if their final ball or their final or their first touch, was decent, they probably could have had a couple of goals in the first half.
Yeah, but Son was shite, bruv. This guy cannot pass for shit, bruv. I don't get it, innit? I do not get it, bro. Like, this guy is so overrated, it's unbelievable, bruv. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, cool, he's a good finisher, but the guy is not good at anything else. All my life, bro. Like, the amount of times, white shirts open, he's passed it out for a throw-in and that. Bro, he's awful, bruv. Do you know what I mean? And it's just like, I can't for the life of me. Do you know what I mean? I can't for the life of me. I don't understand why people think he's good, bro. Like, do you know what I mean?
I think he's a top player. Yeah,
I don't. He's not though. He's just a good finisher. That's it. He's just a good finisher. He's a shit footballer. Like, bro. Like,
but he drags players out of position. Yeah, which like.
Yeah, yes, but come on, bro. Like, he's on the pitch, so he's due to drag someone out.
His passing is shocking. Yeah, his passing is shocking. Yeah, but the fact that he's on the pitch scares people anyway because they know he's pretty quick.
He's quick and he's erratic, bro. He's like Mo Salah, bro. Like, and that's why I don't rate Salah either, bro. Like, these modern footballers, that just have pace, and if they have like 8 shots, they might score. Like, this is nuts. I can't lie, bro. They're bozos. Like, when I look at players like Salah, when I look at players like Son and that, they're bozos, bruv. The reason why Salah's
I rate him better than Salah. Come on, he's better than Salah, bro.
Yeah, but just about they're the same, bruv. They're different sides of the same coin, bruv.
No, I think you're underestimating. He's better than Salah, bro.
Nah, they're both shit,
he's not as quick as Salah, and he's not 1-footed.
No, I think he's more explosive than Salah, bro. He's just a better finisher than Mo Salah.
He's a better finisher by a mile.
He's a better finisher, but that's it. They're both scatty dribblers. They both can't pass. Do you know what I mean? It's just like, bro, they're both quick. Like, that's it. They're both quick. It's just that Son's got 2 dangerous feet and Salah's got 1. That's it. But they're both the same player, bruv. Like, they're both fucking awful, bruv. And this is just what it is, yeah? If you give them enough chances near the goal, these guys are going to score. But, bro, if you play a low block in front of these guys, God help you. These men ain't doing nothing.
Well, we're
low block in front of these...
season.
Low block in front of these bums. Oh, my days. Put a low block in front of these, man. They're just hitting the man's shins and hitting ankles, bruv. That's it. They can't take players on, not really. Like, Salah will score the odd goal, yeah? Like, Salah scored a couple goals where he's put man on the floor and that, so people think that Salah's a dribbler. Salah ain't no dribbler, bro. He does bare feints, and sometimes it works, sometimes
he's not a dribbler. He's just a body feigner, isn't he?
That's it. He does, bro. Just these little body feints.
And he's gone. Yeah.
Sometimes man goes, sometimes he don't go. Do you know what I'm saying? And like, he might cut inside and just hit one every now and again, see where it is. But, bro, Son's a bum as well, man. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, Son is one of them ones where it's like he can finish, and that's it, bro. That's the difference between him and Demarai Gray as a left foot, bruv. But they're the same players, bro.
You're mad. You're fucking
mad. Bro,
he's better than Demarai Gray. He's better than Salah. Yeah.
No, like, bruv, listen.
He's a very good footballer, yeah. And
he's
you know what? I think he's overrated in a way. Yeah, but I also think he's underrated because do you know what? Yeah,
he stinks, Lee, bruv. Lee's fucking shit, bruv. Like, bro, you know what it is, Lee.
He's better than Salah. He's miles better than Salah. Yeah.
What I hate about players like Son and that, yeah, is like because they play for Tottenham and they get stats, man overrate them. There's better players at worse clubs, you know.
Yeah, well, this comment here, if someone was a great player, other top teams would have gone for him, but no one does. That tells you everything.
Listen, you see what Trossard is doing at Brighton? It's way more impressive than what Son's doing right now at Spurs.
Another one, this chap will know, yeah? I've been boosting up Trossard for 3 years. I'm saying, like, how's nobody got him? He's a quality footballer. He put us on toast. Yeah, he's put Tottenham on toast. He's put Chelsea on toast. He's put Liverpool hat-trick at Anfield. Yeah, bro, Trossard's a baller. Yeah,
but the problem is because he plays for Brighton, it's not sexy, bro. You know, like that. So people will boost up Son and all of this, yeah. But how many times Real Madrid and fucking Barcelona come in for Son, bruv? Do you know what I mean? They don't want him because he ain't that good, bruv. Do you know what I mean? Like that's just the reality of it. Like Son ain't that good, bro. Like he puts up good stats because he's playing for fucking Tottenham and Harry Kane's launching through balls for him. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, that's it, bro. Do you know what I mean? If fucking Saint Maximin was chasing that fucking ball and all these guys would score goals as well. Do you know what I'm saying? Like Son just reminds me of fucking Ryan Barble, blood. One of them players.
Oh, come on, man. No, you're taking the piss with this. Come on.
I'm not.
Real talk, bro. Come on. You're even
Bro,
smiling.
I swear. Bro, listen, I'm talking about
he's better than Ryan Barble.
Ryan Barble, yeah, in his prime, yeah, was so pace and could shoot with both feet. That was it, bro.
Nah,
I swear down. Other than pace, yeah, and shooting, what does Son have? Because he can't pass, he can't dribble, he can't, bro, his movement ain't great. What's he good at?
Yeah, but that's why he plays for Tottenham.
No, but that's the point. So when people are saying he's world class, he's not world class, bro.
Yeah, but
he's not.
But in terms of the fucking lack of anything other than fucking shooting.
Yeah. But that's all he does is shoot and run, bro. That's it,
yeah,
bro. He's got no football IQ.
I'm not going to compare him to Haaland in a footballing.
No, because Haaland's a centre forward, bro,
yeah,
and he's way more intelligent than Son. Son runs with his head down here and loses the ball, blood.
Son's never a winger. I don't know.
He's a forward, but he's a wide forward. He's not a centre forward, and Son just runs around.
He could be a wide forward. He's a striker.
Yeah, I know, but he runs around with his head down and loses the ball, bruv, and he can't.
He does. But at the same time, he is not a fucking winger or a wide forward.
He's not a winger, though. He's not a winger.
Because they've got Harry Kane there, they have to play him out of position. If they played Son, look at when Kane's out injured, they play Son up front, he bags consistently.
Because he just chased his loose balls, and then when he gets in front of goal, he can finish.
You're killing me. You're fucking killing me, bro. He is. I think he's a quality footballer, real talk. Not in terms of the whole package, but in terms of his movement, in terms of the fact that he can open.
Bruv, he's like a shit Jamie Vardy, bruv. Like from out wide, bro. That's what he is, bro. Like when you deep it, yeah, he's got pace and he can finish. That's Jamie Vardy, bruv. Like, bro, that's Jamie Vardy, bruv. That's literally Jamie Vardy. Like I don't know why man thinks Son is this unbelievable footballer, bro. Like he's not.
You're doing him a disservice here,
man. Bro. I think when you look at Son's performances under a microscope, you will see that this brother, yeah, if this guy's not scoring, he's doing nothing in a football.
And so Son's basically an Aubameyang with both feet, though.
Yeah. But that's what I mean, bro. Like, man criticize Aubameyang saying if he doesn't score, he doesn't offer anything. But what's the difference between him and Son? There's no difference. If Son don't score a goal for you, bruv, he might as well be on the bench, bruv, because he does nothing else. Like, bro, like this is what it is, bro. That's why I don't like when people call players good footballers, bro. Because to be a good footballer, you have to be good at stuff other than just kicking the ball in the goal. That don't make you a good footballer. That makes you a good finisher. Son is not a good football player. Which is what
Erling Haaland is.
Yeah, he's a good finisher.
He's not a good footballer.
Yeah, he's not a good footballer all round, but he's a good finisher. Like, Son is not a good footballer, bro. He's not, bro. He just scores goals. He's a finisher.
Man,
that's
it.
The
Korean Darren Bent. Jesus. Fucking smoke today. I think you're taking the piss a lot.
Nah, he stinks. You watched him against Arsenal, bro. He was playing for you.
Yeah, but come on, they fucking, bro, they could have fucking Greavesy up front, yeah? Fucking, or Ginola and fucking Hoddle. And all of these, man, Ozzy Ardiles and that.
Hey, listen, Ginola would have cooked fucking, what's his name at right back? George Michael.
Oh, Ben White.
Ben White.
Hey, Ben White had a fucking good game. I can't lie.